You'll never have to clean another potty again. I so wish I got these sooner, but I just keep them in a Ziploc bag because I do bring these everywhere with me, so it's just easy to transfer. I'll keep one in like a diaper bag, one at home, one for, you know, on the go. But I just love these. They are universal and obviously really easy to use. You can, you know, just rip it apart. Oh, maybe not that easy, but you rip it apart and that's it. You just take this and throw it over the potty, and they again are very universal. They do come in a pack, and it just really makes it easier, especially if you're on the go and you have those emergencies or you're just really tired of cleaning potties. I cannot recommend these enough. Again, I said I wish I got these sooner, and easy to use. So I just literally bring these around with me. So if you're considering it, you're wondering like, is it worth it? It 1000% is, because it will give you some time back. So you can just take the little baggie and throw it away. So I do highly recommend these.